Be going from straight to curly using all of the Cecred products. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Trailing Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Trailing Danita. Alright guys, I'm back with another video, another hair video review trial of some new products that I just picked up. As you can see, my hair is straight. It is silk press season and my hair has been in a straight state for over 30 days. If you haven't checked out my hair story and how I DIY my silk press, be sure to check that video out. I'll have it linked down below so you can check that out. But yes, it's been beyond 30 days and the hair is screaming for some TLC, okay? The scalp is screaming for extra care. So I'm going to be using some new products that's been highly recommended after wearing a silk press. And those products are, it is the Cecred hair products. So I'm going to be using all Cecred products today for my wash day to revert my curls back to life, okay? And those products are going to include the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. So I'm going to use this to clarify the hair. I heard great things about this. Well, I heard great things about all of the Cecred products. And then I'm going in with the Reconstructing mask. Now I hear this one right here is the mother load. This is the one. This is the treatment, okay? We're going to see how this works on my hair. In addition to that, I'm going to be using the Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. So, got a few products that I'm going to be trying out for this here wash day. So basically, I'm going to be going from straight to curly using all of the Cecred products. So let's go. Because my hair has been in a silk press state for the last 30 days, it's going to take my hair some time to kind of fully saturate. So right now I'm just letting my hair get fully saturated with water. And because I have low porosity hair, this is normal for me. I wasn't alarmed in thinking that I may have like heat damage or anything. It just takes a long time for my hair to really soak up the water when I'm washing my hair. Of course, when the water started sinking in my hair and the curls started popping back, I knew that I was in the clear and there was no heat damage. So I'm starting my wash day with the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. One thing I love about the product is that it has this nozzle, so it makes it easier for you to apply the actual product into the scalp, allowing you to scrub the scalp. Shampoo, of course, is clarifying and it's intended for scalp care, which is so important for the health of the hair, especially after not washing my hair with being in a silk press for 30 days. This clarifying shampoo is an exfoliant. It has like tea tree oil to help remove that product buildup. And it also is infused with like fermented purple willow bark and niacinamide, so it's dual purpose to do all of the good stuff we need for the hair and scalp. First impressions, the lather does not play. It lathered on the first application, and then I'm using my TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit shampoo brush to intense the lather, making sure that my hair is fully clean. And during the shampoo application, my hair just felt clean, but it didn't feel dry, so I love that. On to the Reconstructing treatment mask. They're calling this the hair repair in a jar. And after my hair has been in a silk press, I needed to get the nutrients back into my tresses. Now, this mask is supposed to be clinically tested in treatment for damaged hair, especially for like color treatments, chemical treatments, and especially after heat styling. After having my silk press, I needed not to hear anymore. I went right in with the treatment, and let me just say, it's a good thing and it's a good time. While the treatment mask is very thick in its consistency, it melted in my low porosity hair really well, and I was just impressed in how my hair felt after the application. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm heavy-handed, so I did add a generous amount of product to my hair, and of course, It did not prevent the products from melting into my tresses. It just felt really good going on, and I was able to detangle my hair during that process. It is recommended that you apply heat after application of the mask, so I did use a shower cap and I sat under my heated cap for about 30 minutes. Now, rinsing that treatment out of my hair after sitting under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and let's just say my hair felt so good, luscious. I mean, the tangles had melted through. It just felt so good. Because the mask is more so of a treatment and it has more of like protein vibes to it, it's recommended to follow up with the Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. This ultra rich deep conditioner is so good. The slip is amazing. It glides on the hair so well. This conditioner really softens the hair and makes it really, really manageable. I think it's infused with like shea butter and oils to help with that moisture and to improve that flexibility of the hair. Again, I'm using a generous amount of the conditioner because I want my strands to be fully coated with the moisture so that my hair can feel so supple after I'm done washing. This deep conditioner does not have like silicones or parabens, and it's really good for like curly, coily hair. So I was really looking forward to the results. All right, guys, I am back. My complete Cecred Wash day is complete, and it was so good. I'm not gonna hold you. It does what it says it's gonna do. The products are good. Like, they're good. They're expensive, but they're good. So if you are in the market for the Cecred products and you got a little change, a little money to spend, I would definitely recommend investing in these products. So just to reiterate, I did the clarifying shampoo with the scalp scrub. This felt so good on my hair, and the lather didn't take any time in my hair. After this, my hair felt so like clean on the first round. Even after having a silk press and adding like oils and heat protectants and all of the things to my hair, this right here got my hair squeaky clean. It's like I literally heard my hair being squeaky clean, if you know what I mean. You kind of know what it feels like or what it sounds like. I don't know. It's kind of weird. I don't know. It's kind of weird. So when I first decided to get the Cecred products, I know I wanted to use the Reconstructive mask, which is this product, because I heard great things and I heard that it's great after having a silk press. But I know I just didn't want to use one product. So I'm one of those people where I like to use things all in the same product line because normally they react to each other better and you get the best results. So after realizing I wanted to try this, I went in and got the shampoo. And then with the Reconstructing mask, I also learned this is not really like a deep conditioner. It's a repair mask. It has protein in it. And it is a strengthening type mask. Knowing that, I needed to get the deep conditioner. So I went in with the deep conditioning mask. Now, the price point for these products is not cheap. I ain't gonna hold you, okay? These products I found at Ulta. The good thing about shopping at Ulta is that if you're an Ulta Rewards member, you get points, okay? So with these products, I was able to use some of my points to get them. But just to give you an idea of how much they cost, the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrubber was $38. The Reconstructing mask was $43. The Moisturizing Deep Conditioner was $40. The price point for these products is definitely on the high side, but is it worth it? It is so worth it. My hair feels so good. I'm not gonna hold you. The Reconstructing mask, I was pleasantly surprised because knowing that it's a strengthening mask, I really didn't anticipate how, I don't know, it just melted in my hair because normally masks are really, really thick and it takes a while to kind of soak into my hair. that didn't take long at all, and I really saw the results of my hair. So I am definitely giving the Cecred Wash Day a 10 out of 10. This is something I probably can't do every wash day because of the price point and because of how frequent I wash my hair. The products will run out quickly. I ain't even gonna hold you. However, I will revisit these products and will buy them again. All right, guys, comment down below. Let me know, have you tried the Cecred products and which ones would you recommend that I didn't mention? All right, guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.